Alright guys, what's up? Today, and this is going to be a pretty short video, I basically have one thing that I need to do. If you've been following this channel, you may know that my car has had an issue with a weird misfire, and it takes a really long time to start up, and I don't really know why. So I finally pulled apart my ECU the other day, and there was a pretty big scorch part on it, so hopefully that's what it is. I got a new ECU, just plugged it in, got the power cable all hooked up, so I'm ready to turn it on. I really hope this is the problem, because if not, I have no idea what to do. So let's go ahead and try turning it on. Alright guys, fingers crossed. Fuel pump. Okay, it's running, doesn't seem to have a misfire. Let's watch it. It usually takes about 30 seconds for the misfire to start happening. If it's good after 30 seconds, we think we might have found our problem. Let's see. Oh, I feel a misfire. I feel it. No, it's still missing. Dang it, guys, that's not the problem. Oh, man, that is a real bummer. You can see it's having trouble staying on. Let's see if we can focus on that real quick. I'm not doing anything to the pedal, this is just how it's idling. And it eventually dies. Well, that is a real bummer, guys. I guess if you have any questions about what I've been doing to it, go ahead and drop them down below. If you have any comments, anything you think might be wrong with this car, because I cannot for the life of me figure it out. I've done a bunch of different stuff, guys. Go ahead and drop a comment down below if you think you know what's up. That is a real bummer. Alright guys, hopefully we can figure this out sometime. I'm thinking it might just be wiring or something at this point, but I have no idea. So go ahead and drop any recommendations down below and I will try them out. Thanks guys.